To check your transaction history on iCloud, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Open Settings. Start by unlocking your device and tapping on the Settings app. This is where you can access your Apple ID and iCloud settings. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your iCloud and other Apple services. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. Scroll down and select Subscriptions. Here, you will find a list of all your active and expired subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Step 4. View Purchase History. To see your transaction history, go back to your Apple ID settings and select Media and Purchases. Tap on View Account, then scroll down to Purchase History to view your transactions. Step 5. Review your transactions. In the Purchase History section, you can see a detailed list of all your purchases, including dates and amounts. You can tap on individual transactions for more information. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on iCloud. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for help.